Choice S71 Direct Drive Overlock Sewing Machine. Featuring a sleek upgraded design and a massive control screen, it combines style with cutting-edge tech. Powered by X-Series components, both power and precision are upgraded. The needle bar is made of tungsten steel, which has high hardness and wear resistance. Choice S71 is the best choice for sewing knitted and woven fabrics, such as casual wear, t-shirts, sportswear, shirts, jeans, and underwear. Easily sews thick and thin fabrics. High speed without lag, efficient completion of production tasks. S71 makes every stitch precise and perfect.